Hello everyone, how you doing? You know what day it is. It's Art Journal Tuesday. Here we are settling down, getting ready to do our art journal page for the week. I already sprayed my pages with a little, I think I'm using these two oxides. I'm using Prize Ribbon, go this way. Prize Ribbon is on this side. Stormy Sky is on that side. I sprayed it with a little mica spray to give me a little bit of glimmer and glamour to it. Let me say first, thank you to my subscribers for stocking back in. For people who are just dropping by, thanks for dropping back in. Get your art journal supplies and come in art journal with me. Also, on Art Journal Tuesday, press that subscribe button so you can see what we do next week. And have your supplies ready so you can do it along with me. All right. This week's inspiration is I've had a bit of a sore throat or something like that. And I've been drinking a lot of tea. I've had a whole bunch of different kinds of tea this week. Some teas that I had in the cabinet for a while. Tea is such a comforting thing. You know, this never wants to work when I'm doing this. It never wants to do it. It's going to just not work out for me. But anyway, let's see if we can get some glue out of here. So, what I like to do is have an inspiration for the week and then follow up and try to build my spread around that feeling of what I had. This week, it's all about the teas. Like, I've been just drinking tea, trying to make myself feel better. Not only have I been drinking teas trying to make myself feeling better, once you get a little tea in a nice cup, and you got to get out a book. You got to get out a book. Turn that TV off and get your book and start reading. So here's where we are. We got our book. Got some steps. This glue is really going to give me some trouble today. It's like, Jay, you want to get your art journal page done, right? Well, we're not going to help you. We're not helping. So we got that done. Add a little more blue to this page to give us some semblance of dimension. So how's everybody been? Did you art journal last week? And if you did, what did you do? What was your inspiration for your page? Did you have something special that really kind of said, okay, go grab everything I can that helps me with that feeling of art journaling and what I thought about this week? Because, last week was bingo, my mom and her friends and their bingo. This week is me. And so here's a girl that's sitting there with her cup of tea, and she's thinking about what she's going to read. So she's thinking about it. But for me, I'm not going to think about it. I already, know what I'm going to read. And I'm just going to sit there and read like I did all week and drink my tea and try to feel better. Didn't watch much TV, and I'm beginning to feel that I'm not really that much of a TV girl. I'll put that right there. You got your pile of books, and let me slide it over a bit. Got your pile of books, and something to munch on while you're reading. You gotta have a little munchies. Something to munch on while you're reading. You always gotta have some munch on while you're reading. And then follow your passions. If your passions is reading and doing all that, then read and get your stuff and then do that. But find out what you like and get your art journaling ready. I know I just go on and on with my chatty self, but that's how I am sometimes. So I want to give a little texture to my page. I'm working in my blues. Little texture. sometimes when I'm drinking my tea and I'm reading my book, there's a little bit of quiet music in the background that I have. So I put a little quiet music on. And I have that going in the background. One of my favorite teas this week was, I saved my thing, was this Echinacea immune support tea. Because I was feeling pretty bad there for a while. So I got my die cut machine out. So I was drinking that, and a little, not only did I have that, but I had a little, what was that other tea? I was drinking some ginger lemon. So I had a little ginger lemon going, a little Echinacea, and this says, may you create peaceful harmony as your life's purpose. As long as you do what you enjoy, you will have peaceful harmony. As long as you enjoy what you're doing, stay away from all the people who like drama, and you'll be pretty good. This is not going to sit on there very well, so I'm going to set it over here. There. Then, let's get a cup of tea over here going. Let's get a cup of tea over here. You know, now that my glue is working, yup. Got my tea. Got me some tea. Then over here, up here in the corner, I gotta put my writing space because I gotta write. I gotta make some notes about this week. So I gotta have my little writing space. And I want that to be right there. To be right there. And over in the corner over here is this. In case you don't want a little cold, in case you like a cold tea instead of a hot tea, there you go. Some lemons and a little tea. See, there was the ginger and the lemon. That's what I had this week. Ginger and lemon. Okay, my friends. I did it. I finished. How did you do with yours? How's yours looking? Tell me what you did. Tell me what you did. So this is my spread. Get cozy. Drink some tea. Read some books. Eat some snacks. Get yourself a good tea if you're feeling bad. This one was pretty good, and I'm beginning to feel better. So this is my spread for the week. If you like what I did, kind of messed up there. You know, since I messed up there, let's see if this will stick there. Well, it won't. I'll have to see. I'll have to play with sticking that down right there. The other tea thing. I want to stick it right there. See if it holds on. Okay. So that's my spread for the week. Thank you for joining me for Art Journal Tuesday. Hope you like my spread. Be the reason somebody smiles. Also be the reason that you smile. Do something for yourself this week that makes you smile. And if it's having a cup of tea, getting some good books, do that too. Thank you for joining me. Remember, press that subscribe button, press the like button, comment. Comments always help my channel, so comment. And I'll see you all next Tuesday. If you're art journaling with me, get your supplies out, be ready. Also, I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.